out. Where are we headed?
So we're going to head over to our perceptual area where we worked with Creative, a camera integrator, and you're able to play games with gesture. You're able to do video conferencing, and it basically sets up a green screen in your own back, so you can put whatever image you want behind you. So we're going to see both of those things and play with them.
Yeah, very cool. That sounds awesome.
Okay.
Can you give me like 30 seconds, a minute or something? You could do the demo? Okay.
I feel bad, sort of. We're kicking everybody out to do this.
So are you a fan of Portal 2?
Who isn't a fan of Portal 2? I think it's the better question.
Okay, so I'm going to have you play this versus me because I'm not very good. But all you have to do is stick your hand up here. So you see we have the cube in our hand, and if you want to drop it, you just close your hand like this. Okay, so on the next one, I'm going to have you do it. And notice how when you move your hand just a little bit, it's very sensitive, so it's able to define each one of your fingertips. Whereas some of the other ones you might see, it's more about just the body. This is getting very, very finite. Do you want to give it a try?
Hey, Gerald, you want to let's chat a bit while I play Portal.
Sure. What are we chatting about?
So I'm going to play Portal using.
What?
Yeah,
you can't play
that's
Portal
very cool.
with
Actually,
this thing. Okay. So what's Chris doing now? He's playing Portal?
Yeah, he's playing Portal with just his hand.
Oh.
So no keyboard necessary, and you'll notice when he closes his hand like that, that's when you want to drop the cube.
So I notice also that he doesn't have to be that far away from the screen, right?
Yeah, I'm probably in the
up a
way
bit?
right now for you. There you go.
Oh, is it catching me too, maybe?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah, now it's working well.
So just twist your hand, move your hand slightly to the left, and you can see how it turns out. Show the depth by you can go in and out of it. So close your hand to grab. There you go. Now push in and out. You want to keep your hand open face. There you go. It really works on your hand-eye coordination. It's taking Portal 2 to a new level for you.
Oh.
Oh, you almost
Oh,
got
got
it.
it. How's your wrist, Chris?
it's getting a little tired.
So what's cool about this is you'll see the creative camera on top. That's something you're going to be able to get this year. And what we've done is we've retrofitted the game to actually work with the camera. But we've released a perceptual computing SDK in which any developer can take it and actually build their apps for this perceptual computing for gesture.
Did you say you have released it or you will release it?
Yeah, we have it.
Oh, okay, great.
And right now we're actually hosting a competition for developers
Yeah?
to compete on who can create the best gesture.
And that's open for applicants now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's also not just gesture, it's voice, any really perceptual, any type of usage where you're not just using your keyboard.
Great. So is Creative your exclusive partner for that, or are you going to work with other camera manufacturers?
We're open to working with everyone.
Okay.
But we've been working very closely with Creative here, and we're showing them off in our booth.
Excellent. Great. Thanks very much. Are we looking at something else? Okay, great. So
Okay.
what's next?
So the next thing is, do you have any interest in the VoIP capabilities with this
Sure.
camera?
Yes.
Sure? Okay, so we're going to head over here.
Okay.
This way. Can I ask you to hold us for a second? Okay. Make sure that... So, I'm going to let you, Daryl, be the...
Whoa.
But if you get in there, as you can see, I'm in here.
Yeah.
And it's just got my face in there, but it's putting it in any background that you want. Why don't you step in there?
Okay.
We don't need to...
Oh yeah, it's got me. What's this thing doing though?
So...
Is this your other viewer that you're looking at, or am I watching a movie at the same time?
If you move your hand
if you move your hand in front of it, it'll track, the video will track your hand.
Oh.
So that's a part of the gesture control, using the creative interactive gesture camera.
This is Minority Report. It's happening.
Slowly. We're getting there.
Yeah. That's excellent.
Now this is a virtual hand. Basically, it does a 3D skeletal rendition of my hand, and then you can play with the money.
Oh, wow.
I had a visitor earlier just go like this and look at their hand to see if the money was there. And I was like, oh, there's no real money.
That's amazing. Let me see.
Pull your hand further away. There you go. Right there.
Wow. Oh, that's terrific.
The physics are good, right?
Yeah, very good, very good. Did we lose our cameraman? Oh, he's right there. Okay. So do you have something else to show us? We're over here, Jen.
Yeah, okay, so the last thing that we want to show you is the Lenovo Horizon tabletop that launched yesterday also, and it's over on the other side of the booth.
Great, okay. Let's head that way. Oh, this is interesting, too, the wireless display. This is something you've had out for a while. Well, we can just talk about it as we go.
As you're looking, notice how small the adapters are getting.
Oh, yeah, they're getting really small. So that's something for, you don't have to have it built into your TV. You just pick that up.
You can. If you're getting a new smart TV, they're starting to come with the adapter built in.
Yeah.
But if you don't have it, they're coming as small as basically like a pack of gum.
Yeah, like a USB drive or something almost,
Or a
right?
USB drive.
Yeah.
There is one. Okay,
Great.
so we're going to head over onto the amphitheater over there.
Okay. If you're just joining us, this is TechCrunch, broadcasting live from CES 2013. We're taking a tour of the Intel booth right now.
As we walk over there, if you notice up here, we've got our Ultrabook tree. It's come to life with over 180 Ultrabooks up there. And
all functioning.
All functioning.
I guess plugged into power, so they're not going to run out of battery.
Okay, so here we are at the tabletop all-in-one I was talking to you about. One of the things that's interesting about this is right here it just looks like a regular
Windows 8
all-in-one, right? But then as you start to, and I can do it one-handed very easily, see? Then it goes into this Aura interface, which Lenovo designed. It goes on top of Windows 8. And as you can see, you can have pictures, you can kind of throw them around here and there, make it bigger.
Does this also have 10-point touch detection?
Yeah. So one of the fun features about this, we call it the device that brings a family together. So you can play, instead of going out and grabbing a board game, like grabbing Monopoly from the closet, all you have to do is go into games right here, and you'll see a list of games already there. So Monopoly is one of them. Mm-hmm. Another one that's fun is the air hockey one.
And where do you get these games if you have this device?
I believe these games are available on the App Store.
Oh, okay. So through the Windows 8 App Store.
Yeah.
Great.
So then you hit start. You can actually get the air paddle to play, or you can use your finger.
There's special air paddles with capacitive.
Yeah.
Oh, neat.
It's very cool.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we don't have them here to show you. But see, as you use your finger, and you can do two. You can play with 4 people, or you can play with 2 fingers. And you basically hit the puck, and you're able to just play air hockey. It's much easier with the paddles.
Yeah. But no, it's still very easy with this too.
And you just scored on me.
All right, I lost a Lawler, but I won.
So it doesn't just have to be for games.
Yeah.
It does make it easier where you don't have to collect all these games. You have them all stored on your PC. You can turn it back into a Windows 8 regular interface that you're used to and just use it as a desktop PC.
And do you have professional applications? Are you seeing people do something with that too? Like I could see how this would work in a design studio or something too.
Yeah, this idea. There's a Sony one on the other side of the booth, and this is the new Lenovo one. It's a very new idea.
Yeah.
And it's really open to a lot of different usage models.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Great. All right. So is that our tour then? We're done?
That's your tour. You saw a lot of the cool things.
Yeah.
You saw the Ultrabook convertibles.
This is
our
pretty
new
nice.
desktop PC, and
Yeah. It's like reminds me of Surface, right? Yeah. I'm talking to Chris off camera.
Do you wanna lift it up again, get it back to its own?
Sure. All right. Okay. So I can do it with one hand, right? Or one
hand.
Oh. I felt like, oh, okay, it did it.
See?
I felt like it was just going to fall back and smash, but
it wasn't.
It's fine. Good.